In this short video, I explain how a pure moment can be applied to an object. Sometimes you can have equal and opposite forces, like we show here, that you've got a force pointing that way and an equal force pointing the opposite direction here. And in that case, the forces cancel. And however, while the force cancels, the moments don't, because these are also applied on opposite sides of the object. And so the effect of the moments add together, because you can see this provides a rotation that way and this that way, and that's the same rotation. They all work to rotate the bar in the same way. So we refer to this as a pure moment that gets applied from these. And so you can look at these. You can look at these. We'll be handing out little foam bars and toothpicks that you can use to demonstrate it. So you should try this with those demo materials. To stick a toothpick in where this is, that's your toothpick, and then apply the equal and opposite forces and see how it causes this to spin. And then in the example over here, so that's a bending moment. You can also hold this if you anchor it at the end here with one hand, and with your fingers on the toothpicks at the other end, apply those forces. You'll see how this will cause this to bend. And again, do that with the bar. You'll see it bend downward, but you'll see it much better with the bar than I could show you on a picture. And in this case, these forces we're applying, this one is into the screen. They're not at an angle, but that's in the Z direction. So that's the negative Z direction directly into the screen. And this one is in the positive Z direction. So if you do that, again, anchoring this, and you apply that way, you'll see that it will cause this bar to twist. And because the bar, if we look at here, all of these components, the bar, the toothpick, and the forces are all in plane. We call that in plane, because they cause it to bend or to rotate depending on whether we anchor that size. We refer to that as a bending or rotating moment. This is an out of plane twisting moment. Again, if you anchor this other side over here, that will cause it to twist. And these are just two other symbols that are used to indicate twisting.